All right, so now in this video, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how you can change around your themes in your design. So first off, I want to just talk to you a little bit about what a theme is. What a theme is the theme is basically the way that your website is, your WordPress site is laid out in the way that it looks. Like this particular theme here, okay, if we go to appearance and then themes, you can see the theme that I'm using right now is the 2011 theme by WordPress. And it's a pretty basic theme. You do have different options and whatnot. You can change a lot of things around with it. But a lot of people like to install a different theme. So what you can do is there's several things you can do. You can install a theme that you have. Maybe you downloaded a theme. Or you can install themes from right here. But what I want to do is right now I want to take a look at some of the featured themes that are out there. Okay, and I already see that's a great looking theme. It's like a direct response type of theme. But I can change these, and these are all free. So I can change my theme to almost anything. And as you can see, there's all kinds of different looks. Like if we change our theme real quick to this, okay, let's install it. So we'll click on the install button. And then if we activate this theme, okay, if we refresh our page, you're going to see it totally looks different. Like the whole theme site is different. The site just looks absolutely different than it looked before. So I don't like this theme. So I'm going to just go back and I'm going to say, hey, let's activate this 2011 theme again, hit refresh, and bam, that old theme is back there. But I want to show you how we can, there's so many different themes that are out there. We can do all kinds of searching. Like I said, we can check the featured or the newest. We can go to Google, right? We can just go to Google. Type on free WordPress themes. And there's just thousands of sites that are dedicated to different themes that you can use. But we'll keep going through here. We'll keep looking through the featured, and we'll see if we can't find something that's, you know, got a good look that we like. There's really, to be honest, there's hardly anything in the featured. We can look under newest. Some of these, like this Zero Style, that's a pretty neat looking theme. Same with this Northern Clouds. Figaro's a sharp looking theme. Lots of different themes here, and these are all free themes, so you can go through and look for, you know, any kind of theme that you want. Like let's say that we just want a black theme that is only 2 columns. We can do a search for that, and it's only going to pull us in black themes that are 2 columns. You can see there's just so many different themes that you can use, but searching for different themes and, you know, looking around for different themes can be a lot of fun, and you can really change the look of your theme almost instantly. Like I just activated that new theme while I was talking about it, and if we go to our site, you'll see, oh my gosh, it looks totally different. You know, so that's how you do the themes. It's real easy to do. I definitely recommend you experiment, play around, find something that looks good to you. You'll see that all these different themes have different options. So there's a lot that you can do. You don't need to spend money on themes. There are a lot of good themes out there. All right, I hope you have enjoyed these WordPress basics videos. Should give you a good understanding on how to set up and use WordPress. Thank you.